Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is Wednesday, February 27th, 2019. It's around 13 degrees this morning. We had some high winds the other day. I think they were saying 50 mile an hour gusts at times. And just now concentrating on the Harbor Freight greenhouse, and looks like it didn't lose any panels. The panels on the top there weren't put in, but I was worried about the back panels. I was looking at it at night and couldn't gauge whether or not they had blown out any of the back panels, but no, it looks like they're all intact and nothing got blown out. So the front's pretty rigid now that I have that front framed in with the wood. But it's pretty gray and cold out there. And I wonder if this spring I'll catch any honeybee swarms. But yeah, thought I'd just get the camera out real quick, take a look in the garden here. Not much going on, and now that I'm looking at it, I just don't know if I'm going to be up for gardening this season. I haven't been paying attention to the fig trees in the cellar, and it's been cold, and then it's been warm, and then it's been cold, so I can't leave them in the lean-to without supplemental heat. So I sort of just left them in the cellar, and they've broken dormancy. So let's go take a look real quick at the state of the figs in the cellar. All right, so here are the figs, and they've all leafed out, which seems like overnight, but it's been a couple of days. I know I have been watering, but maybe, I've been waiting a week and the pots have been drying out. And the other day I noticed the buds swelling, or before I knew it, they were like this. This is a lot of progress from just yesterday. This tree here, the buds, I've been letting the citrus tree here dry out between watering, but I guess I don't know, I've lost track of time, and it's protected itself here with a bunch of leaf drop. And I watered it again just today. So I even have little figs coming out on these. This actually is the I'm just lost for words on these. I just haven't been keeping up with these. The Ponta Teresa fig tree, so it has breba figs on it that, oh well, they'll just drop off. I'll have to transition these, and I don't do it too good, so they end up getting burnt and dropping off, and I couldn't keep them dormant by putting them in the lean-to. It was too cold out there. But yeah, they're all breaking dormancy. So even what do we have here? This is the Acacia Black, and 2010. I think pretty sure this one is the UC Davis. Actually, I believe I got rid of the Encanto Farms UC Davis. Encanto Farms Acacia Black. But even this one here, I forget what this is. This is, I think this is a Kalamata. It just great texture. It's interesting texture on the tree, and then I couldn't get myself to throw away the last pieces, and they drop their figs. It needs pollination, but I just left it in the tub there, laid it down flat. I had this big thick piece left over, and it keeps on surviving. But yeah, all the fig trees have broken dormancy, unfortunately. Like I said, my heart really isn't in this right now, and just doesn't seem as important. But we'll see what I feel like when spring comes along. I almost feel like, you don't want spring to come. But just won't seem the same. Oh, I just noticed, I thought that was a leaf there. I got the amaryllis bulbs here. I was meaning to bring upstairs and never got around to. I just noticed, I thought it was a leaf, but then I noticed from the side it had some thickness to it. So, oh, I thought that was a leaf too. That's a flower there also. I actually bought one, never took it out of the bag. It's upstairs on the back porch. But, yeah, the citrus trees, interestingly enough, seem to be surviving here with just the shop light I have. I'm more curious or excited about the BB trees surviving, into spring. Got the oldest one, or the strongest one, in the front yard in the ground, and I was concerned that maybe rabbits would get at it, but we haven't had a lot of snow this year, so they've been content with, I guess there's a lot of grass still available for them. Not that like that one year where the snow was piled up high over some of my apple trees and they were gnawing on all the buds on the fruit trees. You were able to get access to them. But yeah, instead of rambling on, there's a UC Davis Black Madeira. Oh, okay. There is something I need to do. I got an email, this is going off topic here, from Verizon saying that I needed to change my battery, that they had indication it was probably beeping, so maybe I'll go up and get a replacement battery. I could have sworn I just changed that battery, but I guess it's been some time. So yeah, this is the state of the fig trees and the citrus trees. I've been neglecting them, but whoa, they got a big fig on that tree there. That's the Black Madeira. Right up there. And up where where the sun don't shine. Okay, I'll just end the video there. Not too enthusiastic about it, but so this is New England Gardening. Thanks for watching.